Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a trip back to the golden age of American trucks, the 1959 Chevrolet Apache. This classic pickup wasn't just a workhorse, it was a symbol of power, style, and innovation that defined the late 1950s. Let's dive into its exterior, interior, performance, and wrap up with why the Apache still holds a legendary place in automotive history. Exterior. The 1959 Chevrolet Apache turned heads with its bold, muscular design. It carried that unmistakable late 50s flair, wide chrome grille, dual headlights, and dramatic hood lines that gave it a confident, rugged stance. The sculpted fenders and the smooth curves were a blend of utility and beauty. You could get it in various body styles, the stepside or fleetside bed, with bright paint colors like ocean green, jet black, and dawn blue that reflected the vibrant spirit of the era. The fleetside sleek, straight bed sides added a touch of modern sophistication, while the stepside kept that old-school charm with its exposed fenders. And of course, the chrome badging with Apache lettering proudly displayed on the hood was the cherry on top, a badge of strength and reliability. Interior. Step inside the Apache, and you'll find a surprisingly comfortable and stylish cabin for its time. The dashboard was simple yet elegant, featuring rounded gauges, chrome accents, and a large steering wheel that made you feel in control. Chevrolet emphasized driver comfort, the seat offered good support, and visibility from the cab was excellent thanks to the large wraparound windshield. Optional upgrades like a deluxe heater, push-button radio, and dual sun visors made the truck feel more like a car than a typical farm hauler. Everything was built to last, from the solid metal dash to the durable vinyl seats. It was rugged, functional, and undeniably American. Performance. Under the hood, the 1959 Apache offered multiple engine options. The base engine was a 235 cubic inch inline-six, producing around 135 horsepower, reliable and strong for daily hauling. But if you wanted more muscle, you could go for the legendary 283 cubic inch V8, which delivered up to 185 horsepower. Paired with either a 3-speed manual or a 4-speed hydromatic automatic, the Apache could handle everything from city cruising to heavy-duty farm work. Chevy's advanced Task Force chassis gave it a smooth, confident ride, and the suspension setup, with coil springs in front and leaf springs in the rear, balanced comfort and capability perfectly. Whether you were carrying a heavy load or cruising down Route 66, the Apache performed with reliability and grace. Conclusion. The 1959 Chevrolet Apache remains one of the most iconic classic pickups ever made. It combined bold design, practical engineering, and true American craftsmanship. Even today, collectors and enthusiasts admire it not only for its nostalgic beauty but also for its mechanical simplicity and strength. Restored or modified, the Apache continues to represent the golden age of pickup trucks, when style met substance in the most timeless way possible. So if you ever spot one of these on the road, tip your hat, you're looking at a legend that helped define what a pickup should be. If you enjoyed this look at the 1959 Chevy Apache, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you won't miss more classic car stories from the golden era of motoring. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.